Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you just tuned into the London Watch Collector channel, I'm a watch collector, a watch enthusiast who is addicted to watches. And I upload my reviews on YouTube every Saturday at 7 o'clock GMT time. Last week you've seen the Sea Dweller 2017, and before that the Sky Dweller 2017. And inside, of course, the box. And this is the medium box compared to the other models. So starting with the catalog it comes with, so that's the Oyster Perpetual Yacht-Master. And of course the same information, how to wind your watch, and it says wearing the watch for the first time. Before being worn for the first time or it has stopped, a Rolex watch must be wound manually in order to function correctly and precisely. To wind the watch manually, unscrew the winding crown completely, then turn it several times clockwise. Turning it in the other direction has no effect. A minimum of 25 turns is required for adequate partial winding. The watch will then be wound automatically as long as it's worn on the wrist. Carefully screw the crown back down against the case to ensure waterproofness. It tells you it's the watch of the open seas. An overview of basically the bezel, the crown, minute and hour, second hand, and how to set it. Yeah, the usual stuff. And of course the Rolex famous box. So for you guys who watched all my unboxing of my Rolex watches, Omega watches, I always talk about the tags, so I'm not going to bore you again with the specific details of these tags. But basically this tag is called the green seal. It certifies that your watch is a superlative chronometer, certified by the COSC, as well as the in-house Rolex, which, believe it or not, from the year 2015, mid 2015 onwards, all your Rolex watches are made and regulated for a +2 and -2 seconds. And that's the tag. At the back of it will have your serial number of the watch. And as you can see, this is the price I bought it for. And I was extremely lucky to buy it before the price increase, because now it actually costs £8,500. And that was 2 weeks ago. I actually bought the watch on the 18th of October. Today's date is the 9th of November. So I had to wait for 3 weeks before being able to film this review and actually wear the watch, because the stickers are still on. So here you have your guarantee card. And that's the receipt. And in the back of it you'll have your guarantee card, which mentions your serial number, model number, which is the 116622, and then the 78800, that's the reference of your bracelet. And last is blue, which mentions the color of the dial. And at the back it will mention the name of the retailer, so that's Aram Group, and then the date of purchase, which was the 18th of October 2016. So you'll have your name, date of purchase, and then the name of the retailer. Finally guys, the watch, that's the links. I removed 2. And of course there's a bezel protector, which I'll be removing. That's your bezel protector. And there's the watch, guys. There looks dark, but look what happens under the light. So the sunburst effect, the different contrast, and the way the platinum bezel shines is just spectacular. And I just had to get this color because it was just the contrast of the blue and The red in the background is just spectacular. So guys, what I'll be doing in this review, as I always do in my first unboxing, is removing the stickers. As you can see, they're still on. So this review will only be sticker removal and then showing you the watch briefly, a wrist shot, and of course in the coming weeks I'll be doing a follow-up review where I'll be talking to you about the history of the Yacht-Master. I'll be doing a comparison of this watch to all my other Rolex watches. So let's go ahead and start with the sticker removal. I know to some of you guys you might find this boring, but as I always do with my latest watches, I share the experience of the complete unboxing in the sense of sticker removal and showing you the watch for the first time, and then obviously followed up by lots of reviews. So let's go ahead. So we'll start the ones around the crown guards. It was annoying, to be honest, not to be able to wear the watch for the last couple of weeks, but that's the least I could do for you guys. And I'm glad I'm doing this with you guys. It was worth the wait. So I've removed the ones around the lugs as well as the crown guards. So next would be the one on the bracelet. As you can see, they marked them in red to make it easier to locate the stickers. For the inside, this is the one that really always gives me trouble. It's the one on the clasp, but I'll try my best. Yeah, that was quite easy. On the other side, so this is where your clasp locks. I don't remember clasp having so much stickers. I don't know why, but I guess it's a good thing. So the clasp is completed, and then inside of the clasp, that's your Rolex, beautifully engraved. There it will say Silinox, then H7N, so the inside so that's done. Now the safety clasp. That's why I always love to buy new, knowing that you're the only one who has worn the watch and it comes in this excellent, completely brand new condition without even a single scratch. So any scratches from now on will be done by myself. And if you remember, when I did the BLNR, when I bought the BLNR, I had the bad experience where I actually took it into an unprofessional jewelers who ended up scratching the watch. It was horrible. So since then I decided everything I'll do myself. I don't even let them remove the stickers for me in the boutique. And it's like a brand new car, you know. It's just a good experience. So guys, I think I've removed all the stickers. Hopefully I did not miss out anything. As you can see, that has an easy link, not a safety clasp. So let me know what you think. I'll be showing you a wrist shot. And there it is on the wrist. There you go, guys. I will not bore you with all the specs details because this was purely just an unboxing. As you can see, the color changes according to the light. That's why I'm loving this color. And look at the contrast of the red on the blue. And of course the safety clasp, the polished center links. It's just a perfect match. So guys, do let me know your thoughts. Did I go for the right choice, or would you have chosen the dark rhodium color? Stay tuned for the upcoming weeks where I'll give you an in-depth review, where I'll talk to you all about the specifics of the watch, comparing it to the other watches I have, telling you the sizes of it, how much the lugs measure, the crown, the bezel, the weight of the watch, everything you need to know. This unboxing was purely a sticker removal one and sharing with you a wrist shot. So stay tuned for the upcoming weeks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram for the latest luxury reviews and luxury giveaways. That's all for this week. Thank you for watching.